President Donald Trump will start his first India visit from Ahmedabad today, where he will land at 11:40 a.m. along with First Lady Melania Trump and other officials from the US government, including his daughter Ivanka Trump and son-in-law Jared Kushner. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be hosting US President Trump and his delegation and stage a massive roadshow through Ahmedabad. The two leaders will also visit Sabarmati Ashram and address a mega event at the Motera Stadium, where over 1 lakh people are expected to gather for the Namaste Trump cultural extravaganza. The first consignment of Tabor X95 assault rifles reached Nagaland. The Nagaland police personnel are all set to use the assault rifles produced by the Israel Weapon Industries IWI. Sharing a picture of IWI Tabor X95 assault rifles being checked by a few Nagaland police personnel, We the Nagas, a leading digital news platform in Nagaland, tweeted, "Nagaland police is all set to add a new weapon to its armory as the first phase consignment of Israel Weapon Industries Tabor X95 assault rifles arrived in the state." India INC is sending face masks, sanitizers, soaps and disinfectants as companies do their bit to help China cope with shortage as the world's most populous nation grapples with the COVID-19 outbreak that has claimed about 2,500 victims so far. Companies across the world have been seeking to assess the impact of the coronavirus outbreak that has halted manufacturing in China for global supply chains as well as the domestic market. In India, this has come as a business opportunity for some and a chance to help a neighbor for others. In India, this has come as a business opportunity for some and a chance to help a neighbor for others.